Hey foodies, it's Mihaela from boneless.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make garlic butter chicken bites with lemon asparagus. The crisp outside and juicy inside of these chicken bites will simply get you addicted, and you can't get a better side dish than lemon asparagus. Now let's get things going, cause this girl is hungry! First thing first, preheat the oven to 400 Fahrenheit. Cut the chicken into large bite-sized cubes, then sprinkle with garlic powder, sea salt and ground black pepper. Prepare 3 dishes. First one with flour, second with the beaten eggs, and the third one with panko breadcrumbs. Add one empty plate next to the dishes to place the coated pieces of chicken on it. Lightly coat each chicken bite with flour. Dip into the beaten eggs, then roll in the panko breadcrumbs. Gently press and to adhere on all sides. Repeat with all the chicken pieces and set aside on the empty plate. Heat a large oven-proof skillet over medium-high heat. Add butter and olive oil, and once hot, carefully add in the coated chicken bites. Fry them, turning on all sides for about 3 to 5 minutes until a crisp crust is formed. You might also have to cook them in 2 batches so you don't overcrowd the pan. You don't need to fully cook them at this stage, as we will finish them in the oven. Once all the chicken bites are nicely golden, bring them to one side of the pan. Then I'm going to snap the ends of the asparagus and place it next to the chicken bites. Drizzle the melted butter and lemon juice over, then sprinkle with lemon zest, salt and pepper. Transfer to the preheated oven and bake until the chicken is golden brown and fully cooked and the asparagus is crisp tender, about 10 to 12 minutes. It's ready! So excited for this one. I'm just gonna garnish it with a bit of freshly chopped parsley and some lemon wedges. Can't wait to taste it! That was it for today, foodies. Thanks for watching. To get the full recipe plus tips and tricks, just click the link below or go search it on boneless.com. Oh, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of my amazing community of foodies. Last but not least, leave a comment below and let me know how you like this recipe. See you next time!